In this video, we'll show you how to create a custom show sheet for your listing in case you want to have show sheets printed out, for example, at an open house, or just to have on hand to hand out to buyers or buyer's agents at private showings. Go to the Hauseit website, click on Show Sheet Generator, and here are a few instructions on how to use the show sheet generator. For example, there are maximum image size restrictions. This should be relatively straightforward. So let's do an example together. So we've gone ahead and filled this out. You can select up to 14 amenities here. Enter your listing description, taxes, monthly maintenance. If it is a condo, you'll have separate figures. So your taxes will be here, and this would be the common charges. If you have a co-op, then taxes will be 0, and monthly maintenance will be the total payment, which includes the equivalent of common charges for a co-op, as well as your responsibility for your portion of real estate taxes. In this section, you should enter the front image. So this would be the large image on the front side of the show sheet, or the first page of the show sheet. The back side, or the second page, you will have 4 additional images, smaller, as well as a floor plan. Here you can put your owner/occupant information. And you can see this is the finished product. So there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit like or subscribe. Leave us a comment below if you have any questions. And of course, if you have any topic suggestions, please leave them below. We do love to hear from our viewers. And of course, if you're looking to buy or sell property in New York, we can help you save up to 6% on the sell side through an assisted FSBO listing, and we can save you 2% back on the buy side through our buyer agent commission rebates. My name is Chris at Hauseit, and we'll see you on the next one.